minus 10, 9, 8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And liftoff. The Falcon takes flight, propelling the Deep Space Climate Observatory on a million-mile journey to protect our planet Earth.
I'm Jay Herman. I'm the EPIC lead scientist for the Discover mission. On July 6, 2015, we released this spectacular image of Earth taken by NASA's EPIC camera. Now, we assembled more than 3,000 images captured by EPIC into a time-lapse sequence that shows a year in the life of our planet. EPIC is an Earth science instrument aboard the Discover satellite, which launched in February 2015. The spacecraft always remains between the Sun and the Earth, approximately 1 million miles away, at a special gravitational balance point known as Lagrange 1. From this view, EPIC sees the sunrise in the west and the sunset in the east at least 13 times a day. The haze, seen around the edges, is due to scattering of light by molecules in the atmosphere. Scattering is also what makes the sky appear blue during the day and red at sunset. The colors shown are our best estimate of what a human sitting at the location of EPIC would see. EPIC takes at least one set of images about every 2 hours. The camera records each set in 10 different wavelengths. At least 3 separate wavelengths, red, green, and blue, are combined to produce this color view. In March, the moon passed between the Earth and the Sun, causing a total solar eclipse. During the eclipse, the moon cast its shadow over a portion of the planet. If we slow the video down, we can see the moon shadow make an appearance right about now. Although the view from EPIC is only once every 2 hours, we're able to track features like the motion of clouds. Around 2/3 of the Earth is covered by clouds. Clouds reflect light from the sun, helping to keep the planet cool. They also trap heat rising from the surface, keeping the planet warm. Changes in cloud cover affect the heat balance and how warm the Earth becomes, which is one of the reasons why we study them. The hourly images of the entire sunlit side of the Earth provided by EPIC will be used to study the daily variations of features over the entire globe, helping us to better understand and protect our home planet.